A.T.L.A.S friends, Miss Courtney here again. So, what did you think of your project 2 weeks ago? Did you guys have fun making the mini mug hangers? Did you use yours for yourself or did you give it as a gift? I had a lot of fun making that. So our next project, the final one for the month of December, are these mini gingerbread houses. All right, so let's go ahead and open up our second bag. So this bag is for the mini gingerbread houses. You should have this as well as the frosting that was left over in the tub after last week's project. Okay, so in this bag, you should have a bag of goodies, lots of fun things to decorate your house with, as well as 2 graham crackers. Now hopefully they're still intact. If not, it's not a huge deal. I know that sometimes when grown-ups pick up the bags and just transporting them to the house and things like that, there's a chance that they could break. So hopefully if they break, they broke into the correct squares that they should be. So these mini gingerbread houses are edible and they make cute decorations or gifts. Again, something that you could give or keep for yourself. Ingredients that are included: the graham crackers, which we already took out, vanilla frosting, which is left over from 2 weeks ago, the candy for decorating. So I've included some candy, but you can definitely use your own candy from your own house as well. And another popsicle stick. What you need to provide: willpower to not eat all the candy before we get to decorate it. Try not to eat it all. Save it for the house. All right. So the first thing that we need to do is break the graham crackers into squares. So carefully, you can either ask your grown-up for a knife and try to cut them, or very carefully try to break them in half. Since there's 2, you are going to get 4 equal squares once you break them. Okay, flip it over. Step 2, you're going to place 2 squares on top of each other. So just like this, that's going to form the base of our gingerbread house. We're going to use the frosting to kind of glue them together. All right, so go ahead, get some frosting, put that on there. And we're going to use this like glue to stick them together. Okay. Step 3, using the popsicle stick, we're going to spread icing onto the edge of another square. So this is the edge. We're going to put icing on that. All right, so again, use your popsicle stick and our frosting. All right, so you see that. We are going to join these squares together. All right. And then you can place them on top of your base. Okay, you see that? All right, so now you're also going to add icing to the sides here to make sure that everything stays together. So use that icing like glue to make sure that your house does not fall apart. All right, and now for the fun part. Step 4, decorate your gingerbread house using all of the candy that I gave you guys, or more if you want to use some more from home, and use the glue as frosting. So have fun decorating yours. I'm going to decorate mine as well. Have fun. Can't wait to see them. Bye, guys. So, what does your gingerbread house look like? I'd love to see it. Did you have fun making it? So I want to show you my finished project. I used a plate, put it upside down as the base, because I wanted to pretty much use every single thing that I had. I hope you guys had a lot of fun making this. Happy holidays. I will see you guys next year in January for a brand new theme and 2 new projects. Take care, guys.